Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Rohit here from the Digital Marketing Agency. So in this video today now I am going to show you the how to automate a social media post. First of all, what you need to do is so especially for those who do not have an account of this Publa.io. So I am going to give this link in the description itself. So first of all, if you want to publish a post from the social media icon instead of one by one, and then you can publish a post on the social media icon itself same time itself only. So and then you can do it very easily. You can and then you can automate us. So first of all, now let's see. After you're watching this video, you can do it very easily, and then you need to automate with the social media marketing. So let's see. Now what you need to do is now I'm going to this share the screen here. Now let's see. This was the main dashboard of this. Now what you need to do is that you what you need to do it as a you need to enter the website name is Publer. So first of all, let's go to the website name is publer.io. So let us see. Now let's find the website of publer.io. So this was the main website of here. It is showing that this was a you need to click on the first website. Here it is showing the publer.io is there. No, so let's click on the Publer, your social media superhero. Let's click on this publer.io. What and then after you have gone to this website of publer.io, so this was the example that I have already created. So in the meanwhile, now again I'm going to log out and how to create a new account of this publer.io. So in the same way, now let's see what you need to do is now again I'm going to log out this website here. So this was the main website of this publer.io. So now I'm going to show you the plans here before you're creating an account. So, but here it is showing that first of here it is showing that plans and pricing is there. No, so you need to go to this plans and pricing, and then you need to select a free plan. So let's see. Now I'm going to choose this plans and pricing, and then you need to select it as a free plan only. Now let's see. Let's click on the plans and pricing. Here it is showing that there is a free plan is there. No, so there are five social accounts, zero additional members, 50 pending schedule posts. Where there are many things are there in this free posting only. So free. Let's click on the start scheduling. Let's click on the start scheduling, and then after that, what you need to do it as you need to click on the sign up button is there. No, so here it is showing that sign up button is there. So let's click on this sign up button to create this account of publer.io. So let us see, after you have clicked it as a sign up button, you need to enter your name, email, password. But I am not going to enter, but simply directly I am going to create this account from Google only. So let's click on this Google itself. Okay, now you need to sign in this account of publer.io. So let us say this was my example. Now I am going to create this account of publer.io. After you have creating this account of publer.io, so you need to select a social media. You need to select a account of social media is there. So let us see. Now what you need to do is now I am going to select a social media. Let's see. This was the main dashboard of this publer.io. So let's see. Now let us click on create is there. No, so it has been this was the creating option only. So in this creating option, so here it is asking that select a way to post. Here it is asking only. No, so there is no selected to accounts is there. So if you want to select a account, so in the down of the option add account is there. No, so you need to click it as a add account. Okay, now you need to after you have clicked it as a add to account, so there are many social media icons are there now. So in those all those social media icons, I am going to selecting it as a Facebook page because I already have a business page itself only. So in your Facebook account, so let's go to this page. Let's click on this page. And then you need to log into your account of Facebook itself. Okay, now let's click on login. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to enter a code of authenticator app. So code generator is there. So you need to enter it as a 6 digit code from your code generation. So let us see. Now, if you want to get a code generator from the Facebook account, so especially for those who all are using this Facebook account in Android only, so you need to go to this profile and let's click on settings and privacy. So now let us see. Now what you need to do is now I'm going to this. Now I am going to my Facebook account. Let us see. Now let's wait, all of you. Now this was the example. Now I am going to show you here itself only. So let us then you can find the code generator app. So code generator is there. So now you need to enter a code here itself. So now let's see. Okay, now let's click on continue. Okay, now let's click on this browser. And then you need to select your page. So now let us see. Now again I'm going to log in this Facebook here itself only. So let us see. Now it has been logged in successfully. Now what you need to do is now you need to select a page. So let us see. Now I'm going to click on continue as Bade and close that only. So let us see in that you need to select all those pages here itself, or otherwise which page you are using mostly. So you need to select that page only. So see, I'm going to selecting it as a tutorial only. Let's click on this tutorial and then you need to click on next. Okay, let's click on done. Okay, now you are now linked publer.io to Facebook. Okay, let's click on OK. Okay, now what you need to do is in the same way, you can add the Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn also. So let us see. Now I'm going to add all those icons also. So let's see. What you need to do is, or otherwise as you wish. And this was the example that this was my page name only is there now. So that's why here it is showing my image itself. So in the down of my image, my title page of my Facebook itself. So let's see. And what you need to do is now you need to do it as a click on select. Successfully, it has been successfully added. And let's go back to this Google accounts. Let's go back to this account in the same way. Now let's see. Now I'm going to in the same way I'm going to add the Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn as your wish. So let's see. Now what you need to do is now in the same way. Now I'm going to create a Instagram also. Let's click on Instagram in the same way. So for example, now what you need to do is here it is asking that this was my Facebook page only now. So let's see. Now here it is showing that then you need to and select the calendar. So now let's see. Now I'm going to select all those posts here. Let's wait all of you once. Okay, now in the creating or creator option is there. No, so in this creator option, you need to go to this, click on the add new account. So now I'm going to selecting it as an Instagram. Let's click on continue. In the same way, Twitter also, and Twitter and LinkedIn also. So as you wish. So this was the example. Now again, I'm going to show you here itself only. So let's see. Uh, you need to enter your password itself. Let's wait on okay, now it's loading now. So in the same way, you can select a page, add pages also. So let us see. Actually, I already have a page only. No, so let us see. Now let's click on save as Bade Venkat Lohit Aksha here. So this was my Instagram business account is there. So let's click on select it and let's click on next. So if you want to select all, you can select all or otherwise as you wish. And but I have selected only one page only. So that page name is tutorial. Let's click on this next button. Let's click on done. Okay, now you are linked publisher.io to Facebook. Let's click on OK. Okay, now let's see publisher.io. So just now I have connected to the Instagram also as your wish. And let's see. Now what you need to do is now you need to select the icons that you want to add. So let's click on let's click on tick and then you need to go back to this account of publisher.io. So let's see. And then what you need to do is as you need to go to this create option. Create option is there. No, so let's click on this create option, and then you can add something itself. So for example, now in the same way, now I'm going to show you. I'm going to do Google search. So I'm going to conduct this webinar for of marketing this. So and let us see. Now I'm going to advertise. I'm going to conduct a webinar on marketing research analyst and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. So and then you can add a images also. So but as you wish. So but here it is showing that click or drag and drop media is there. So now I'm going to uh, add a media. So let's see now as you wish, or if you want to add a media, you can add it here or otherwise as you wish. So let's see. Now I'm going to select it here. So let's see. I'm going to enter it as a marketing research. Let's go. Let's see. Now I'm going to enter it as a marketing research in Google. Okay, let's see. This was the example. Now I'm going to choose one of the example image here itself only. So this was the example. Now I'm going to select this image here. Let's click on download this image. Okay, now let's see. Now let's click on download this image. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to add this media. So now let us see. Now I'm going to add it here. Add this image here. So here in this library option, let's go to this library option. The either Canva or Trello, there are many types of there. So especially, yeah, I'm going to selecting it as a all media itself only. So or otherwise favorites or many things are there. So this was a free trial only. I'm going to show you here itself. Pablo.io. So and in the same way, I have already shown you it as a plans only now. So there is no need to select anything itself. And let's go back to this now. Here it is showing that let us select our drag and drop media is there. So now I'm going to uh, drag this image. Okay, now let's see. Now I'm going to drag this image. Okay, now let's see. This was the example that I have done here. And then after that, you can create a schedule. You can make a schedule. Let's see. For example, now I'm going to selecting does it. But here it is showing that you need to select an account also. So let's see. Now I'm going to selecting an account also now. So let's see. Let's click on tick, and then you need to make a schedule. Let's click on schedule. For example, I'm going to select this date from tomorrow. and then you can set a timings itself. So let's see now what you need to do is that you need to click on schedule. So in the meanwhile, so let's see. Now I'm going to this Facebook itself. Facebook and Instagram also. So let's see in this Instagram. Now I'm going to post here. So and then see here it is showing that now you need to enter it as a. So I am going to conduct this webinar on social media marketing. Okay, this was the example that I have shown you here. And let's click on here. It is shown that click or drag and drop. It is there now. So let's click on select or drag and drop. Let's see. Again, I'm going to show you here itself. On let's click on this image. Now I'm going to say let's click on this image and let's click on open. Okay. Let's after here let's click on create a schedule and then you need to create a post. Okay. Now let's click on post. Let's see. Let's wait. In Zoom. Okay, now let's see. Now what you need to now I'm going to this Facebook page and Instagram also. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to Instagram also. Let's see. Now I'm going to Facebook page. So now let's click on Instagram. Instagram, you need to go to this Instagram website. So okay, now let us see. Now I'm going to my Facebook page. That my title page name is TUTIORIAL. Let's see. Now I am going to let's search for my page name or group name as your wish. Let's search for my group name. Okay, let's click it here. Let's click on my group name. Okay, now let us see. Now I am going to log in my Facebook and let's click on login from my Instagram account. Let's see. This was my Facebook account. Not Facebook account. It's a Instagram. So let us see. Now this was the example. Now let's my net is running very slowly. So let's be wait for 1 minute. Okay, now let's see. In the meanwhile, so okay, now just now I have got it here itself on it. So here it is showing that just I'm going to conduct this webinar on social media marketing in cell phone. So this was the easy way only. So in the same way, now I have got it on Instagram also. So let's see. Let's search on this Instagram account. So let's click on profile, or let's click on my profile. So see. Okay, let's see. Just now I have got it here also now. So let's see. Here it is showing that the I'm going to connect this webinar on social media marketing. It is showing on, so that's all guys. So but in the starting point, I have already told you now, if you want to add a social media post, but including one by one. So it's a very easy guys, all of you. So especially for those who all are having any doubts regarding about this topic of Pablo.io to how to automate a social media post. So if you want to if you want to publish a post in this uh, social media, uh, instead of one by one. So instead of one by one, you can publish a social media post at once only. So this was the best website that you can post at once from the social media itself only. So see, this was the example that only I have already created itself only. So that's all, guys. For it's a very simplest way. So and then you can do it very easily. For especially for those who had created this account of Publa.io, please create it ads or social advertisements or Facebook pages, or especially for those who do not have a Facebook page, though, so you need to go to this Facebook account and then you need to click on it. Then you need to create a pages or otherwise groups also. So that's all, guys. So, but that means I have already have a group and pages only. So in this group and pages, I have selected it as a pages only. So that's all, guys. It's a very simplest way, guys. Especially, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click a bell icon from here. And thank you all. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you.